Sheldon School of Hospitality offer units in business covering diversity, sustainability, leadership. They do offer managerial courses, planning units, finance units, and then all of these units will definitely benefit our students once they enter the industry.
Students will be trained definitely in the core qualifications which they are studying, but once they move into any industry like restaurant or any hotel business, so they will be performing their task as an employee, or later if they progress well, if they want to go into their own business, that will help them to manage or lead a team, that will help them to manage the performance. So this is what we have considered in introducing these business courses in Sheldon School.
When studying business units, students learn how to work in diverse environments, respecting others' beliefs, prepare daily schedules, understanding the business needs, managing rosters, run meetings, do presentations, do budgeting, and that is only to mention a few benefits of studying business units within Sheldon. Doing business units as part of your hospitality course is really beneficial, as we do have a few success stories, students running their own restaurants, students being in managerial positions, or even being head chefs. Therefore, I would always definitely tell my students, please complete your business units, as it's very beneficial when you do enter the industry.